Hello friends, this is Botany Ramaya. In this video, I am going to explain about viruses, viroids, prions. This video is very useful to NEET MCET aspirants. So let's start our topic. Viruses. Virus, it is a Latin word. Viruses are acellular, ultramicroscopic, disease-causing, obligate, intracellular parasites. Virus means poisonous fluid or venom or secretion or poison or viscous fluid. The term virus was given by Pasteur. Ivanovsky separated a microorganism from the sap of infected plant and named tobacco mosaic virus. Ivanovsky reported that viruses are smaller than bacteria and they can pass through bacterial proof filters. Beijering called them contagium vivum fluidum or living infectious fluid. This is the important point. Beijering, who described them as contagium vivum fluidum or living infectious fluid. Stanley crystallized TMV first time. They are innate outside their specific host cell. The first discovered virus is TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. A disease caused by TMV on tobacco plant is called tobacco mosaic disease. Mayer described tobacco mosaic disease and he named infected sap disease. Davis called them vetamol. Pyrie and Bardeen, first of all, studied the chemical nature of viruses and said that viruses are called nucleoproteins. Viruses are best described as infectious particles. Viruses are unique group of biological entities known to infect every type of cell, including those of bacteria, algae, fungi, protozoa, plants, and animals. Gehrer and Schramm discovered infecting part of TMV is RNA. Frankel Conrad confirmed that the genetic material of TMV is RNA. So here important point is the genetic material of TMV is single-stranded RNA. Now, non-living characters of viruses. Absence of protoplasm. In the viruses, protoplasm is absent. In the viruses, enzyme system is absent. No respiration takes place. Viruses can be crystallized like chemicals. Viruses do not grow in nutrient culture medium. They are innate outside the host cells. These are non-living characters of viruses. Then, living characters of viruses. Viruses live as obligative parasites. Obligative parasite means they cannot to survive outside the host cells. They reproduce in the host cells. They can undergo mutations. They contain nucleic acid, protein, enzymes, etc. Viruses has ability to cause diseases. On the basis of above characters, it can be said that viruses form a transitional group between living and non-living organisms. Viruses are simple acellular submicroscopic entities consists of either DNA or RNA as genetic material. They have no metabolism, no intrinsic motility, do not respond to stimuli, and do not grow in usual sense. However, like living organisms, they have an nucleic acid that is either DNA or RNA. Then next one is viroids. Viroids were discovered by T.O. Diner and Raymer in potato spindle tuber disease. Viroids are infectious nucleic acid particles. So it is important point. They are infectious nucleic acid particles. Viroid is a smallest self-replicating particles. A viroid is a circular molecules of single-stranded RNA without a capsid. So, in viroids, nucleic acid is present, but protein coat is absent. So, this is the very, very important point. In viruses, both nucleic acid and protein coat is present. Whereas in viroids, nucleic acid is present, but protein coat is absent. Viroid has a free RNA of low molecular weight, but not high molecular weight. DNA viroids are not discovered. Only RNA viroids are discovered. So in viroids, nucleic acid is RNA. RNA of viroids is short, circular, single-stranded, naked, and highly folded with low molecular weight. So these are characteristics of RNA of viroids. So in viroids, genetic material is single-stranded RNA. This RNA is short, circular, single-stranded, naked, and highly folded with low molecular weight. Potato spindle tuber virus was first viroid to studied causing potato spindle tuber disease. Viroids are known to cause diseases in plants only. Diseases caused by viroids are potato spindle tuber disease, exocartosis, bunchy top of banana, pale fruit of tomato. You can see this diagram. This is the nucleic acid. This nucleic acid is surrounded by a protein coat that is called capsid. In viroids, nucleic acid is present, but protein coat is absent. This nucleic acid is single-stranded RNA. The next one is prions. Prions are infectious protein particles. This is the very, very important point. My dear friends, prions are infectious protein particles, whereas viroids are infectious nucleic acid particles. Prions are discovered by Stanley B. Prusiner. In prions, nucleic acid is absent, but protein coat that is called capsid is present. This is the very, very important point. So in prions, genetic material is, in prions, no genetic material, only protein coat is present. Genetic material is absent. Prions produce abnormal glycoproteins called prion protein. Prions are resistant to nucleases, proteases, radiations, disinfectants. Prions cause animal diseases like mad cow disease in cows, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, and Kuru in human beings. So this is the protein coat that is called capsid, but here nucleic acid is absent. Now, influenza virus. The size of influenza virus is 80 to 120 nanometers. It is a spherical virus. Influenza virus infecting respiratory tract. It is having helical symmetry. In helical symmetry, capsomeres are arranged in helical manner around the core of nucleic acid. It is having single-stranded RNA. In influenza virus, 10% RNA and 90% protein is present. It is killed at 65 degrees centigrade and active at low temperature. So, viroids, viruses, prions. What is the difference between viruses, viroids, and prions? In viruses, both nucleic acid and protein coat is present. In viruses, genetic material is either DNA or RNA. In viroids, protein coat is absent, but nucleic acid is present. In viroids, genetic material is single-stranded RNA. Next, prions. In prions, protein coat is present, but nucleic acid is absent. So friends, ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి మరియు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.